My name is Shali. I'm from Rajasthan, India, and I start to study at Ozford College in November. And first I do the early course at there, and I enjoyed very much because on the weekends, like our college prefer to go with us on the different places in Melbourne, like I also visit with the Ozford team like the Yarra River, St Kilda Beach, and many other places which is more enjoyable than the other. And my experience regarding the Ozford College is very enjoyable. Like I enjoyed very much at Ozford College.
Hello everyone, my name is Asmita Subedi. I am from Kathmandu, Nepal. I have been in Australia for about a year now. I came to study Bachelor's of Accounting in Oxford, and Oxford is in Melbourne. And I like to say that the place Melbourne, the city as well as the college is pretty good. The staffs are a bit friendly, and as our college is located in city, the place is quite good. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Hey, good morning. It's me, Dharm Singh from India, Punjab, and I have here been from last 2 months, and in Oxford College I studied Bachelor of Business. It's very good here. All the teachers are very supportive, and they teach us good. And moreover, the Melbourne and the Oxford College is so good. I have to encourage and say to all my friends to visit Melbourne and visit Oxford College at once in their life, and to enjoy the same things like me. Thank you.
Hello, I am Bhavna. I am here from last year. Like I am in Oxford from last August, and I enjoyed the team very much. I started with a diploma of leadership and management, and I visited with the team many places like Dance Studio or South Yarra, and I enjoyed the team as well as college. College team is very friendly, so I encourage everyone to come here and join the Oxford. Thank you.
Hello, I am Manjinder Singh Soi, and I am from Punjab, from India, and I has been in Australia from 2 months, and I am doing my Bachelor of Business Accounting in Ozford Institution of Higher Education, and it is very good college, and I encourage to my every friends to come and join our team because it is very flexible. And the location of the Ozford College is very good, and it is very near to Flagstaff railway station and the Southern Cross, so it is very easy for every student to come and join the Ozford. I recommend to every student to come in Australia and also visit to the Ozford Institute.
Mostly all of my friends from India are here, and I listen from them that their college is like not so good and they don't enjoy in their college. But I personally recommend to my friends and all students like who want to come abroad for study that the Ozford College is best college as compared to other college, because like they treat with every student like familiar. They don't like they help the student in every situation, like whether the college is off or whether that is college is open. You can just email to the teacher, then they help you in that situation, like what they have need to do and what you have need to do. So I personally recommend to all of my friends as well as like my country members to join our sport team. Thank you so much.